Hello friends, this video Binomial Theorem part 16 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Before watching this video, you should have watched Binomial Theorem part 1 to part 15. In this example, we are told that the sum of coefficient of the first three terms of expansion this is 559. That is coef of T1 plus T2 plus T3 is equal to 559. So we know that TR plus 1 for this equation will be m because power of m, mCR minus 3 by x square to the power r into x to the power n minus. So that will be something like this: mCR minus 3 to the power r into x to the power m minus 3r, because m minus r here we have, and here we have 2r, m minus 3r. So the coefficient is this: coef of t of 0 plus 1 plus t of 1 plus 1 plus t of 2 plus 1. Why we have done this? Because t of r plus 1 we know. So 1 we can say 0 plus 1 is equal to 5, or r is equal to 0. This becomes mc0 minus 3 to the power 0. R is equal to 1. This becomes mc1 minus 3 to the power 1. And r is equal to 2. This becomes mc2 minus 3 to the power 2. mc0 is equal to 1, minus 3 to the power 0 is also 1. mc1 is mc1 is m, and minus 3 to the power 1 is 3, plus become minus, this is minus. So this is m into 3, plus mc2 is nothing but m into m minus 1 by 2, and minus 3 square is 9. Why mc2 is minus m into m minus 1 by 2? Because mc2 is nothing but m factorial by 2 factorial into m minus 2 factorial. So m factorial we can also say m factorial is equal to m into m minus 1 into m minus 2 factorial, we can say, and you can cancel m factorial. This one. So what we got is m into m minus 1 by 2 factorial, and 2 factorial is nothing but 2 into 1, that is 2. So we got this. So we solve this equation. This is equal to 559 equal to 559, or what we get when we solve this, this guy becomes 2 minus 6m, taking 2 common, plus, let's go here, sorry, this is 9, plus 9m square minus 9m is equal to 559 into 2. If you factorize this, so what you get? 9m square minus 15m minus, you get it, this is equal to 558 into 2. This is what you get. If you solve this equation, you get m is equal to 12. This is the value of m. So we have found the value of m. Now we have to find the term containing expression x to the power 3. We will use this formula. This formula we'll use. We use this formula. Let me use the space only. So t of r plus 1 is equal to mcr minus 3 to the power r into x to the power m minus 3r. So we are saying m minus 3r is equal to 3, and m is equal to 12, or 12 minus 3r is equal to 3, or r is equal to 12 minus 3 is equal to 9, 9 by 3 is equal to 3. So the coefficient we are looking is m is 50, m is 12, c, r is equal to 3, because if we put r is equal to 3, we get the value of here, this becomes x to the power 3. So 12c3 minus 3 to the power 3. This is the value we are looking for, because we are looking for MCR minus 3 to the power r, and r is equal to 3 here. So by putting r is equal to 3, we get 12C3, m is equal to 12. This guy becomes 12. This guy becomes 3. This is 3 here. So it is 12C3 minus 3 to the power 3 x3, because this also 12 minus 3 into 3 9 equal to x to the power 3. And when you solve this, you get minus 5940 x cube. So the term is minus 5940 x cube. What we have done here, we were told that the coefficient of the first 3 terms is equal to 559. So we have found the coefficient of the first 3 term. We got the value of m is equal to 12. And then we also found for TR plus 1 is equal to MCR minus 3 to the power r into x to the power m minus 3r. This is the equation we have already derived. Now in this equation we put m is equal to 12, and then we have told that m minus 3r is equal to 3, because here we have x to the power 3. So we found the value of r. R turned out to be 3, and by since we have know the value of m and r, we just put the value of m and r in this equation to get the value. Let's take one more example where we have to find the value. Here we are told that TR minus 5 and T2R minus 1, they are equal. No, they are not equal actually. The coef of TR minus 5 is equal to coef of T2R minus 1. Please note, the question doesn't say that these two are equal. Question says the coefficient of TR minus 5 is equal to coefficient of TR minus 1. So first let's find TR minus 5 and T2R minus 1 for 1 plus x4. So for 1 plus x4, Tk of k is equal to 34ck x to the power k, 1 to the power 34 minus k. So this we can ignore, is equal to 34ck x to the power k. This is the Tk term. TR minus 5, we can also write TR minus 6 plus 1. This becomes k. So this guy coefficient I'm talking about now, or the whole term let's take now, this becomes 34c of r minus 6 into x of r minus 6. This is the t of r minus 5 term. Similarly, t of 2r minus 1, we can write 2r minus 2 plus 1. This is 2r minus 1. This becomes 34c 2r minus 2 into x to the power 2r minus 2. This is tr plus minus 5 term, and this is tr minus 2tr minus 5. Now we are told that the coefficients are same. That means this part is equal to this part. So let's equate this, or 34cr minus 6 is equal to 34c 2r minus 2. So with this equation, when we have NCA is equal to NCB, so that means either A is equal to B or A plus B is equal to N. We know this. When we have NCA is equal to NCB, we have learned in the chapter of combination, then A is equal to B or A plus B is equal to N. Here similarly, here we can say R minus 6 is equal to 2R minus 2, or R minus 6 plus 2R minus 2 is equal to 34. Sorry, this is equal to 34. Let's solve these equations. So from this equation we get R is equal to minus 6 plus 2 is equal to minus 4, and from this equation we get 3R is equal to 34 plus 8 is equal to 42, or R is equal to 14. Since we know R can't be negative, so we'll discard this. So R is equal to 14 is the answer. What we have done here, we were told that coefficient of R minus 5 terms and 2R minus 5 term of this equation are equal. So we have found these two terms, and then we have found the coefficient of these two terms. We have equated these two terms coefficient, and you have used this formula. If NC is equal to NCB, either A is equal to B or A plus B is equal to N. and we found two value of r. One value comes out to be negative, so we discarded that because r can't be negative, and we have taken r is equal to. Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online test, get the best quality study material, study from the best tutor and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.